Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix cannot add card on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone or iPad and facing this type issue that whenever you try to add your credit or debit card to your Apple Pay, you see any kind of error that your card cannot be added or something like that. So let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you have to simply go back from here and you have to open up your settings app. Very first you have to make sure that you have a stable and the strongest network connection. Then you have to go ahead to general, then go to VPN and device management, and you just have to make sure that your VPN is not connected. If you're connected to any kind of VPN, just simply type disconnect with that. After disconnecting your VPN, you have to go back, go to software update. I also recommend you have to try to update your software if you find any kind of pending software update here. And once you updated your software, just go back and here go to transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings. Enter your iPhone passcode and then select reset network settings and the confirmation message pop up. It will reset all over your iPhone's network settings. If there will be an issue with your iPhone's network setting, it will be fixed in the step and you'll not get the issue again. After resetting your network settings, you have to simply go back and here go to general, go to language and region, select region and then select your own region in which you're living. And here once you have selected, you have to simply go back and you have to also check that the payment method or the card which you are trying to add into your Apple Pay is not expired or there is no any kind of issue with your credit or your debit card. If you find any kind of issues, you have to try to contact with the card ensure to fix that issue. And after fixing your issue, you have to simply open your App Store and here tap on profile option in the top right. Then tap on Apple ID and verify yourself using your Face ID or your Apple ID password. And then select country or region here. Now you have to select your own country or region in which you're living, or you have to select the country or region which you have just selected. So let's say I'm gonna select this one from here. So after selecting country or region, select this country option here, and here just tap on agree in the top right, and here you have to add your payment method. You have to select credit or debit card and then select this camera icon to scan your credit or debit card. You can manually enter these informations, then enter your billing address, your phone number, your name, and after all just tap on the done option at the top right and your payment method will be added to your Apple ID. And once I've added your payment method to your Apple ID, you can easily add it in your Apple Pay or Apple Wallet. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.